Hi, welcome to Creations by Ellie Designs. My name is Leslie, and on this channel you will see DIY, organizational, and cleaning videos. And let me backtrack just a little. Oh, play me some mountain music. I had to throw that in there. Anyways, in my first video, I'll be showing you how I made a Hello Fall Y'all wreath from start to finish. I hope you enjoy watching it as I, as as much as I loved making it. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and click the little bell to be notified for any new videos. And also, please subscribe to my channel so YouTube will notice me more. And thank you so much for watching. On with the video. Love y'all. Mwah.